Welcome to yourtuition.in. Hi, this is Sudha Nandini. Today you'll be learning about classification of organic molecules. As far as chemistry is concerned, classification and naming a molecule plays a vital role in understanding the subject. So what is organic chemistry? It's a study of carbon compounds. So there are numerous examples of organic chemistry in the world around you. For example, polymers. Polymers are long and branched chain of molecules. Example, nylon, polyethylene, polycarbonates. These are the one having a carbon skeleton. It can be either a branched one or it can be a straight chain. And the next example is a petrochemical. Petrochemicals are chemicals derived from crude oil or petroleum. See, fractional distillation separates the raw material into organic compounds according to their different boiling points. So with that you can end up with different compounds like gasoline, detergents, dyes, natural gas and even medicines. These are all carbon containing compounds. Even soaps and detergents which are used for major of cleaning purposes contains carbon. Perfume, cosmetics which are used for improving the aesthetic value of the skin, which addresses the skin problems and enhances the beauty nowadays. As you can see, most of the products involve organic chemistry. Your computer, furniture, home, vehicles, food and body that contain organic molecules. Even the food we eat contain a carbohydrate which is majorly made of a carbon skeleton. So now you know the importance of organic molecules. Now let's discuss on the classification of these organic molecules. It is first classified into acyclic series and cyclic series. In acyclic series, it is majorly containing an open chain of carbon atoms. For example, alkanes. See, alkanes will have only carbon and hydrogen in a branched chain or a straight chain. It's of open chain. There will not be any cyclic structure as the name suggests. The first example is propane and the next one is isobutane. See, this name propane, butane depends on the number of carbon atoms that is present in the chain. See, when you learn about the nomenclature, I'll teach you how to name a compound. Now let's discuss only on the classification. In cyclic series, as the name suggests, it's going to be of ring structure. It is further classified into carbocyclic and heterocyclic compounds. So in carbocyclic compounds, it is further classified into alicyclic. It is alicyclic. It is not acyclic, which we have discussed in the first. Okay, so this is called as alicyclic. It is a cyclic structure made of carbon atoms only. It is mainly made of carbon atoms only, joined by a covalent bonds. Okay, joined by a covalent bonds. You will not find any pi electron or any delocalization of electrons in the alicyclic compounds. And the next part of classification is aromatic compounds. In aromatic compounds, it is containing a benzenoid ring where you will see a delocalization of electrons, delocalization of pi electrons. See, in the earlier case it is by a covalent bond. In the second case you will have even a pi electrons, right? So the first example is benzene and the next one is a toluene. In heterocyclic compounds, the ring will include other atoms like nitrogen, oxygen and sulfur. They are called hetero. It is not homo. Homo is all the molecules that are present, all the atoms that are present will be a carbon. Whereas in heterocyclic, even there will be a carbon as well as the oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. So this is the example for heterocyclic compounds. Thank you. For more videos, stay tuned to yourtuition.in.